Hey, what is up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox an international parcel. Yes, you heard it right, an international parcel. The product was bought from Cassette to MP3.com. So let's hop in. You can see this is the parcel I got. I am just too fishy because there's some tape still to the side, and the customs label was also sticked. You can see if you want to send me something, you can send me. And there you can see on the from Hong Kong, and that's my address. There's a whole lot of Chinese words written on it, and a 4. You can see this is the customs decoration label. It was already unboxed by customs for security reasons. You can see it's other tick mark something. So let's unbox it up. No, let's wrap it. It's quite hard, but there's no much protection in it. Okay, only a few bubble wraps. So let's take it up. Actually, it took 50 days for delivery to me. So it was already open when I arrived. What the hell is that? Let me just quickly open it and close it up for a sneak peek. So this is the front of it. Says audio blah blah blah, and this is the back side. If you want to read it, just pause the video. And the item is made in China. Of course, this costing me around $50. That's around 3,500 Indian rupees or something. Let's unbox it up, and on the top there's a manual. Let's see what's inside of it. Now there's the cassette thing. That is the real thing. Okay, it has a stylish metal frame around it, and the boy looks quite impressive. I'm quite impressed with it. Inside it, you also get an earphone. So that was the quick sneak peek, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you there.